Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, I'm gonna unbox these, 4 cars. Well, unbox, open, same thing. So yeah, like I say in previous videos, if you're seeing nothing, it's because I'm opening the cars, and the reason why you won't see anything is because I'm not doing it live, using my computer from the, site, instead of this, camera app through the, video thing. So yeah, basically I'm not, on the YouTube site doing a live kind of thing, because, it'd just be a little silly to, do that kind of a live that quickly. So instead, I'm going to have 2 unboxings, actually, instead of just 1. However, the second one's going to be a live because there's more cars, and those will take way more time to open than these 4 right here. So yeah, technically in total it's going to be 13 cars open, but it's going to be 2 separate unboxing videos. It's just that one of them is going to be a live kind of thing, and I may or may not throw in like a quick race as well. Well, I'll give you more details about the special race thing when I unbox the NASCARs in the live today or tomorrow. So for right now, I'll be back shortly, or whenever I will be back with all these cars opened out of the cards. Bye for now until they are open. Alright, so there's all 4 cars open. I hope you liked and enjoyed this pretty quick, short unboxing diecast cars video. Bye everyone, thanks for watching this diecast cars unboxing opening video, and I will see you all shortly, hopefully today. If not today, then tomorrow, for the NASCAR's special live unboxing thing. And have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.